We are happy to introduce our latest dashcam in our lineup, the F200. The F200 is a 2-channel capable with full HD 1080p in the front and HD 720 in the rear. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, which makes reviewing videos or changing settings convenient and easy. The F200 also has wide dynamic range and true color video technology to ensure the video quality will always be excellent. In the box includes the F200, micro SD card with the SD card reader, cable clips for neatly routing the power cable, 3M adhesive mount, and the quick start guide and warranty information. Thanks for watching our video. For more unboxings, tutorials, and information, please subscribe below.